everyone, welcome back to the GlassesUSA.com channel. Today I'm going to be walking you through step by step how to choose the perfect pair of prescription glasses online. Even if this is your first pair of glasses you've ever ordered before, this process is way easier than it looks. First things first, let's quickly talk about your prescription. So when you get one of these from your doctor, it can look a little intimidating, but don't worry, you don't need to memorize any of this. So let's start with OD, which is just your right eye, and then OS is your left eye. SPH is actually your main prescription strength. CYL and Axis are for astigmatisms, and ADD is only for reading or progressive lenses. And some prescriptions also include Prism, which helps with eye alignment. If this feels overwhelming, totally normal. But GlassesUSA.com walks you through step-by-step how to upload your prescription. Next is PD, or Pupillary Distance, which is kind of what it sounds like. It's the distance measured between your pupils, and it helps to make sure that the lenses are centered correctly for clear vision. You can actually measure this on your own with a ruler and a mirror, or you can ask your optician. Or you can go online and use the PD tool at GlassesUSA.com, which is honestly the easiest option. Now comes the fun part, choosing your frames. So when you're browsing, pay attention to things like face shape, frame material, and size. And each frame page shows detailed measurements so that you'll know exactly how they fit. And one of my favorite features is actually the virtual try-on, so you can see how each frame will look before you buy. Or better yet, use the Perfect Match AI, where not only can you see the frames in real time on your own face, but these frames are perfectly picked just for you based on your specific needs, preferences, and features of your face. Now it's time to select your lenses, which are actually the most important part for making sure that your glasses are comfortable day to day. Single vision lenses are great if you need one prescription. Progressives work for both near or far vision, and bifocals have a visible line that separates the two. You can also add things like blue light filtering for screen time, UV protection, or anti-glare, which are all helpful for if you drive a lot or if you spend a lot of time on screens. And if you're worried about getting it wrong, don't be, because GlassesUSA.com makes exchanges and returns very easy, very simple, so if your glasses don't feel right, you're totally covered. Before you check out, just make sure to do a quick review. Confirm your prescription, your lenses, your frames, and your PD. And don't forget to look for any auto-applied discounts or promos that were applied to your order. And that's all there is to it. Now you are officially ready to go shop for your online prescription glasses like a pro. Head over to GlassesUSA.com to browse thousands of styles and lens options and find your perfect match. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next time.